LN Transport, a Gloucestershire-based logistics provider, has enhanced its fleet maintenance operations with the introduction of the Hunter Engineering HawkeyeXL heavy-duty alignment system. By ensuring precise wheel alignment across its fleet, the company aims to reduce tyre wear, extend the lifespan of its tyres, and enhance vehicle availability, all of which contribute to lowering maintenance costs and supporting its net zero targets. The HawkeyeXL is recognized for its suitability for heavy-duty vehicle fleets. Its key features include high-definition cameras for precise alignment readings, durable low-maintenance targets, and a streamlined alignment process that reduces setup time through rolling compensation. With the ability to display live alignment readings across 3 axles simultaneously, the system allows for efficient and accurate adjustments, helping to keep vehicles road-ready with minimal delay.